So there it is, the end of 2025 is coming. And with that, all of the bad times, the mistakes you've made, the things you regret, and the fears that have been plaguing you. Well, a brand new year is just around the corner, 2026. But have you ever stopped and thought, a new year won't actually change things for you? No, it won't make your life any better. All it can do is give you a fresh set of starts. It's more of a mindset than anything else. So why not change your mindset instead? And decide that you'll start things anew in 2026. Remember, it's not just about the date, it's about making a choice. The choice to come out of your past and seize a new chance. The choice to stop surviving and start building. The choice to be the person who is ready to be your best and embrace the unknown. If you want a better life, you've got to create a new mindset. So when 2021 comes around, take it as a chance to do something meaningful. Don't just let it pass by, make it count. Start today, not just for the sake of your future, but for your happiness too. Because this year, it will truly belong to the person who is ready to discover the best version of themselves. Whoever you are and whoever you want to be, you'll find it. It's not just about what lies ahead. It's about how you go about reaching there. If you believe in yourself, you can conquer anything. So as you step into the new year, face it with courage and confidence. Trust me, the world will see the best version of you coming to life. And that's not just about the year ahead, it's about the journey that lies ahead. So what's in store for you in the next 12 months? Do you want to come out of it with nothing more than a good story to tell with how you made it through? Or do you want something more meaningful? A true breakthrough into a better life? I'm here to help you with that. So come on, let's do this together. Together we can turn it into the most powerful year of your life. It's not just about what happens in the next 12 months. It's about how you make it to the end. And if you're ready, let's start today.